Hello everybody and welcome to Game 3 of Burning Abyss versus Yosenju. The score is 1-1. Who is going to win?
Oh, no offense, Craig.
Marco's
If it was
cousin was
game
my
3,
friend.
it would always be 1-1.
It's, well, yeah, but whatever. It's called excitement,
Are you
Dave.
insinuating our viewers are shit at Craig?
I'll go first.
I say nothing.
I'll go first.
Yeah, that's fine. We don't play no best of 5 here.
No best of 5, that's boring.
Reveal.
What was that?
Rubik. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Normal summon.
Yes. Don't play.
Effect for 3.
Yeah, that's fine.
Come on, Seer, Graph, and Scarn. Oh,
There's a seer.
Hmm.
and RBA. No.
Should we dirty roll the Cree there, Mark?
I don't know. Effect of Rain.
Yeah, that's fine.
Send Scarn.
Who's going first, Hans?
Set 2. Say 10. Effect
Right.
of Scarn. Add Graph to hand.
Does he signal the start shot?
Does it? Your turn.
Hold it up.
Yeah.
Those are all pretty nice cards.
I don't like nice cards.
Take quick.
Yeah.
That's not a secret, no. It's not old, isn't it? I know it's a secret. It is just one.
Sure.
Activate.
Chain. Effect of Graph.
Yes. I get the twin twister out of the way.
Watch me work.
No zone.
Sure.
Effect.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Savage. Savaged. I hate that rarity.
Attack.
It's very tempting. What's under this? Battle?
Yep.
Attack Dante. Damage step.
Effect of Dante.
Yeah.
Add Graph to hand.
Maybe it's 2.
Mm.
Pass off.
Envious. The 3.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
yeah, that's fine.
That's biting your hand, by the way. I'm not
No,
gonna
you'd be able to.
Yeah. Normal summon.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm using Smash Bros. for everything.
Over there. Dante. Effect of Dante.
Mm-hmm.
No 3. Oh, the criminals. Effect of Graph.
Yes.
Summon. No one's taking any damage, sure.
No.
Enter battlefield.
Yep.
Attack.
Sure. 900.
Attack 17.
Sure. 5, 4.
And he's 2. And he's returned.
That's all.
Draw. Effect.
Mm-hmm.
Roll 3. Seer and Calcap.
Mm-hmm.
Calcap target this.
This one?
Yeah, and then Seer will target. Dante. Or what are you on this one?
No, 5, 4.
No target. Stun.
Sure.
Effect.
Mm-hmm.
Roll 3.
You far for this, right?
That would be the pros play, so it's just attack. Antibiotic?
Yep.
25?
Yeah, that's fine.
25?
So I'm at 400.
Yeah, and he has 2.
Yeah. Did you make F0 again?
F0 just dies.
Yeah.
And that's game 3 over. It looks like Barry has won with Burning Abyss against Yosenju. Oh,
Oh.
and Dave draws but 1 out after he's lost.
After.
Oh, and Barry gets a twin twister. So Barry, anything to say after your win against Dave?
Royal Decree too strong.
Royal Degree's too strong.
Gates too strong.
Too strong. So Dave, anything to say?
Royal Decree's a cunt, but apart from that,
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
it's a pretty good game.
Mm-hmm.
All right, buddy.
I enjoyed it.
Thank you for joining us on our best of 3. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And goodbye. We promise to do much more videos.